Rich Tehrani with TMC, thanks for watching. We're at Interop 2013, speaking with Chris from iPass. Welcome to the show.
Great, thanks to be here.
So, what are we seeing here?
So, iPass is, at our core, we're a Wi-Fi company. And we deliver a series of solutions in the Wi-Fi and mobility space, and we're super happy to be in that space. As you can see at the show here, everything's really centered around Wi-Fi, mobility, BYOD, and we're delivering high-speed, highly secure, wide area networking and Wi-Fi services to enterprise customers.
That's great. Now, what is the Unity brand?
So the Unity brand is one of the brands within iPass. iPass has several different services. I'll give you an example of those. We've got a mobility platform that delivers Wi-Fi services to folks who need access through their tablet and smartphone through our global virtual aggregated network. On a global basis, we have over 1.3 million hotspots, and that solution enables folks to get connected anywhere that there's one of these access points around the world that we aggregate. We've got an exchange solution that enables carriers to leverage that asset and really buy and sell Wi-Fi services with each other and leverage that Wi-Fi network. And lastly, the Unity network services. We build, deliver, manage, and architect wide area and Wi-Fi services, truly usable Wi-Fi services for enterprise customers.
Very exciting. Now, what's the response been? What are people saying?
I think there's really a lot of good response happening at the booth. People are really trying to figure out how they build a better network, build a next generation network with all of these IP devices that are coming into our daily lives. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different IP devices that people are starting to carry with them. I think that they're trying to find a way to create higher speed networks, better managed Wi-Fi networks, better services to deliver for their customers, and it's exciting to be able to have a solution that really fits that bill.
Do they talk about security at all?
There is a lot of conversation about security. There always is when it comes to the Wi-Fi space, and the good news is our portfolio has a series of solutions that address that at several levels, from the edge to PCI compliant, and it's a good conversation.
So what's next?
You know, I think continuing to help our customers scale. As I mentioned, the number of IP devices that people are bringing with them is only going to continue to explode. And so helping our customers meet that scale challenge and create tools and services to deliver that scalability. And secondly, monetization, helping our customers find ways to monetize that Wi-Fi network that they have and that they've built, and really bring them additional revenues and bring them additional services from their customers.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks.